Hello guys, Tip and Tricks will show you again today something very interesting. I will show you how to turn this, see the scratches out of it, yeah, into this, no scratches. Now I'm very sure that you have seen many guys doing this with toothpaste. Now those guys are fooling you around. This is not going to work with toothpaste nor baking soda. I think you saw these movies and you tried and you saw that it fails. It will never work on glass. So I would say let's start. Okay. Now I'll put this aside because this is already worked through. Now, in order to correct this, we will need some sandpaper because the scratches are quite deep. You have to follow with the lens's curvature, so it's not really simple. Just move this a bit to get in the center. Okay. From time to time you look. Okay, maybe you won't be able to see, but they are a bit leveled up. Okay, they are a bit, but we have to continue. Now, I did many things before trying this out, and I may show you some setups because I was afraid that I will damage it, so I tried with simple glass from one of my windows that broke up and worked on that till I got a working setup. Just let the time do the work. Just grind. Just work through. I think my sandpaper pretty much went off, so it's not good anymore. Maybe there is one more margin here. I'm looking again at the scratches. They disappear. It's working. Of course it's working. If it wouldn't be working, I would not show you this, yeah? Okay? I'm not showing you fake stuff like others do. Made me smile. Toothpaste. Come on, guys. I mean, if you start with a 2000, you won't be able to get this through with the scratches that I have. If they're really fine, you can start with that one. Or even, I mean, if they're really fine, you can start with the polish, yeah? You can start the other way around. Start from the polish, you work, and then you try to find out if they disappeared. Now it's safer with hand. On the glass I tried with some machine that I made up. But you get the glass heated quite fast. If you have a Dremel or like a motorized tool, you risk hitting it up, and if you hit it up, it even might crack. Yeah? So don't crack it. Yeah? Take care to not crack it. If you crack it, it's too late. Oh, I thought this was going to be easier, but no. Okay. Let's clean. Switch to 2000. Work again. Okay, now we're going to take a new paper. Wipe it off. Clean also the exterior of it. Okay. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. That looks nice. I can't see those holes anymore, but it's looking good. Yeah. 2000 rules. Okay. Now we have to apply the final step. For the final step, we need to clean our hands. Clean this one. So again, window cleaner. You don't want that residue still there when you polish. Okay? You don't want it there. Let's see how it looks. Wow. Wow, this looks marvelous. Okay. I'll go to clean my hands, okay? Okay, whew, I'm back. So now, I bought a kit from CeriGlass, from CarPro. I'm not making any publicity here, but the idea is that this one works. I mean, I tried with many stuff, like baking soda, toothbrush, blah 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 blah. Even car polish, yeah. I tried the car polish on glass, nothing, nada, niente. So let's try to polish it. Now, we put some polishing agent on the glass. I mean, you can also put here, but I like to have it there. Here I put on the sides and there in the middle, so I can start binding it, okay, like this. Ooh, okay, now I have a nice surface on the sponge, full of polishing agent. So let's start work again. Okay. And this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to hold this, and this I'm going to move in circular. Okay. Now remember, I did already a good job with the P2000. This means I have to work less with this one, otherwise it would be a titanic work. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Let's have a look at it. Wow. There are some reflections, and that's why I see it this way, but it's shiny clean. Wow. There's still some dirt on it. I need to clean it better with some cleaning wipes for glasses, but wow. World War II. Thank you very much, guys. This was it. These were the tools. This is a Windows Class Cleaner. I forgot about it, but it went marvelous. See you next time. Bye bye.